Sha'Carri, she wrong for what she do.
Yeah.
And say anything will come after that, brother. She deserve it.
And recently, if you see video with Sha'Carri come out, I know.
Oh yeah.
You see it?
Yes, me see it, bro.
Yeah, bro.
No. Alright, hear me answer.
Yeah.
Sha'Carri, she wrong for what she do.
Yeah.
And say anything will come after that, brother. She deserve it. Me can't go behind that.
But she human still not dark, so it's like
Too emotional, man. Bigger than that, man. You have so much brand deals. You have so much thing that this one thing could have cost you, bro.
It's a business.
So it's a business still. I
yeah,
know. Because she's a brand, bro.
the thing is though, as me say with Sha'Carri do dog. Sha'Carri big like brother for controversy dog. So
Yeah.
that's why me can't really fault her. Me not think she'll get hurt for this dog. Me not think
Yeah,
so,
but
dog.
most of the controversy never led to arrest.
True. That's true.
You know what I mean? I say you can contain the emotions on another level.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know, say,
yeah.
Yo, what if you come and set and
Yeah,
a little thing go, a
yeah,
little
yeah.
disagreement or whatnot? They don't want you to react certain way. You get me? So,
Certain professional.
yeah, professionalism.